Hi, I'm Ben. Today I'm going to be changing a toilet fill valve. Okay, now that we've located the water meter, we're going to open it up and shut off the water. Nobody's been down there in a while. Okay, that's the valve right there that you need to grab onto. Alright, so now I'm going to watch the meter and make sure there's no flow. Yeah, it's good. It's off. What we'll need to do next is open a valve to relieve the pressure on the water lines. Usually you open the front hose bib to do that. Okay, so we're set up in the bathroom and we need to get this valve off right here. The actual valve we're going to be replacing is in here. Not too much, not too little. Okay, this is all easy stuff. If you don't force it, you have to force it, that's when you get into trouble. Okay. I had to shut off the water at the valve in the front of the house because this valve doesn't close anymore. I tried to close it, but check it out. Oh yeah. No threads. So I gotta replace this. Alright, so there's the old valve. And here's the new valve. It's gonna be the same. This is a thread tape. And it's used to seal the threads. Okay, so now I can go turn the water back on. Okay, now that we've got the supply valve replaced, we can go ahead and start working on getting this fill valve removed. And there's a nut on the bottom that we have to loosen, and then we can pull that whole thing out from inside the tank. This is the nut that we need to loosen. Let's get this water vacuumed out. And just a simple turn. Just lift up from the bottom. Disconnect your hose and that's it. Let's go look at this on the workbench. I'll go ahead and wipe this out a little bit. Okay, now that we're at the workbench, let's go ahead and examine these. This is supposed to be a direct replacement for this. And this fill valve also replaces two other kinds of fill valves. A little bit different style. When you're putting on this nut down here, you just want to get it hand tight, snug. It's not necessary to over tighten it. If it leaks a little, then tighten it just a little bit more. I'm going to get some thread tape on these threads. And I'll put a little bit of tape on these threads as well. You start with the tank part of the supply first. And you don't want to over tighten that either. Ready? Let's see the flush. Very good. No leaks in the line. Very good. Okay, so I went and double checked my work and everything is good. The repair is good. It was pretty easy actually. Didn't have to do any soldering or anything like that, and nothing broke. So, thank you.